100 years from now, when you are alone in your grave, no one will care how much money you had, what car you drove, or what kind of house you lived in. The only thing that will matter then will be your righteous deeds.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وأقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة لهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم